afternoon everyone. Dito na naman ang lola nyo. Galing ako sa doctor ko guys. Alam nyo na. Okay. Mag-branch tayo ngayon. Late branch. Look at this. Ito ang late branch ko guys kasi magluluto ako mamaya. I want to see my doctor. Alam nyo guys, congratulations to me guys. Meron na akong certificate from the hospital authority. Kasi, alam nyo na, bata pa tayo, pero meron na tayong certificate of this one, okay? Now, galing ako dyan. I've been there for last 3 months. Galing ako doon. Now, I have another check-up for another 3 months. Tingnan nyo ang medicine ng lola nyo, guys. Please, guys, magsulat na kayo. Hindi ko alam if you can see me or not. Wala akong nababasa. Just say hello. Kung pwede kong makita ang mga message nyo. See? Ito na ang mga vitamins ng lola nyo, guys. Oh my God. Look at this. I don't know what can I just keep it secretly na lang yung pangalan na. Ito na ang mga medicine natin. So, I have to drink this twice a day. Once a day pala, not twice a day. I don't know what kind of medicine this one. I'll check it out later. See? Ang dami. Ito kasi green. Kasi bata-bata pa tayo. Hello guys, mag-send na kayo ng message dito. Can you just comment one thing? Just say, hey, hello. Hi! Thank you! Miley Valenzuela, I know you're watching. Thank you. Shout out to you there and to all your friends there. Sa lahat ng neighbor natin dyan. Alam mo na. Okay? And this is another vitamins. Naka-apron na ako guys kasi I'm ready to clean and cook our dinner for tonight. Ito rin, another medicine for... I have 3 kinds of medicine guys. Ito na ang Jutanders natin. So I got... told you, ulitin ko ulit. I have a certificate from the hospital authority. Alam nyo na guys. Bata talaga tayo. Talagang bata. But every time you go to hospital, small reminders. Hello, Marily Ada. Small reminder, every time you go to the clinic or hospital, you always bring a face mask. Or else you need to buy one there in the counter. Wala nang libre ngayon. Before the first few months, libre. Ito na ang mga appointment natin for the next few months again. Guys, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa Oktobre. Tamang-tama, meron tayong kaso sa Oktobre. Let's see. I'm not fed up coming in and out of Hong Kong. Alam nyo na. So, all these things, I have to keep it with me. So, itong mga medicine natin, guys. Hindi pa mabayaan ang... hello, Mr. Joel Echeverre. See, magbabalance na ako ngayon kasi galing ako from the hospital. Kasi I have a every 3 months check-up. Dalhin ko kayo sa aking kusina kasi naglilinis ng kamay. And then let's start eating now. Have you eaten your lunch? Hindi ako nag-lunch kasi dire-diretso ang gulo ng bahay ko. Saan na kayo ha? Ito, naka-uniform na akong magluto. Konting wash lang ang kamay ko kasi nag-wash na ako kanina. Pero hinawakan ko yung mga medicine natin. So I have to rewash again my hand. Just plain water. It will be okay. Kasi, alam nyo na, ang dami kong wara. Yes, may mga wara pa ako dito sa bahay. And I have to use it. I have to clean it up. So, itong my uniform ko. And this is my new uniform. Ito ang uniform ko pag kumakain ako. Or, I mean, preparing for the food. But, later on, magluluto ako ng beef stew. Sana yung may gatang beef stew, kaso nga lang, we'll do it a plain one. I-try natin muna kung masarap tayong magluto, right? But I'm not going to bring you in my cooking thing kasi pipicturan ko na lang sa reels, guys. Kasi and the ingredients and whatever I cook. Kasi I don't know how to do it. Editing it, and if I do it online, I mean vlog, maabot tayo ng 10 oras dyan sa kusina. So, I don't think we'll do it. Kasi, syempre, ang lola nyo nagpa-practice pa lang ngayon. So, there you go. Now, before I forget, I have my cold iced coffee again. Ganito lang, but I like this glass. See? I'm cold coffee, but no sugar, guys. Konting milk lang. Konting milk lang kasi kung marami naman, that's fattening. Para lang naman mapagbigyan ang ang sikmura. Sikmura ba? Is that really good word? Yeah, probably yes. It's just the same thing. Whatever it is, bahala kayo mag-check. Let's drink to that, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Miss Teresita Prado. How are you, Tita? Thank you for watching my video. And here we go again. We're having a secret. Look at this. Look at that. Ewan ko kung ano ang first impression nyo dyan. Ooh. Yes. There you go. Ano ba yan, right? Nakakatakot tong tinapay na to, guys. Oh my God. Yesterday, I vlogged some breads for fun. And of course, walang kakain dito. So, okay. Oh, Antita, gusto ko yan. I like that word. Pero we all beautiful. Kasi, kung gusto nating gumanda, we have to eat healthy food. Ito lang, hindi naman healthy masyado to. But I'm having my lunch na. Brunch pala. Brunch. Kasi hindi ako minum lang ako na glass of water before I go and see my doctor. Kasi may doctor ako ngayon. Ito. Sabi na, guys, inom muna ako para hindi ako ma-thirsty. Let's drink to that, mga friends and titas and all of you guys who's going to watch this one. Inom muna ako ng panakatubig na to kung malamig. Thank you. Thirsty talaga ako. And you know what? I'm going to have this is I know you know this one. It's a vegetable naka-uniform ako, no? Sayang din naman pag hindi ko gamitin ang uniform kung pang-kusina. Oh my God! So, there you go. This is vegetable chicken siupaw. Look at this. Look at that. There you go. Hope you join me eating also. Hope you have food also there in front of you para naman sarap kumain. Itong siupaw dito sa Hong Kong, they don't have those funny things, yung sauce, because that makes you happy. And that's true, that makes you happy and fatty. Yeah. So, ito naman kinakain natin ngayon is still fatty. Kaso nga lang, if you less some sauce, hindi tayo tataba. Ito ang kakainin ko. This is also vegetable chicken bun. Ewan ko kung anong tawag sa Pilipinas. Basta ganun na yun. Pero ang nakakatuwa ngayon, guys, you look this? My God. This is also croissant. This is come from the oven already. You know. Yes, this is the sexy bun. I forgot to add this one yesterday, Miss Dada. I saw this one. I bought this one in supermarket. I forgot to add this one in my vlog yesterday. Hello, good morning and good afternoon. I think you're having merienda now back in the Philippines, right? Kaya, tinatago-tago ko naman tong uniform ko para naman, this is my uniform for cooking. Kaya, pasensya na kayo, guys. Kain na tayo uli. Ngun, bread. Bread ang kakainin natin. Ipitak ato'y balok namin ko ha. Umuyumatan ka dahil lamang ko. Makita daw na eh. Yan na lang, para maganda naman ang tsura natin. Ito, this is my uniform while I'm doing this is my uniform cooking. This is my uniform for cooking, preparing the ulam. Para naman maganda, hindi mamaya mahulugan ng anik-anik dyan. So, paninda pa naman natin yung mga orders din ba naman yun. Okay, so this is my uniform for preparing the food. And then, I'm going to cook later. Meron na naman ako ibang uniform. You know what? Para akong I have so many bread here, but I don't know why I bought this one again. I'll show you. It's a healthy one. Look at this. It's a brown bread. This is suitable for high blood like me. I'll open this one. Look at this. Yeah, it's a brown bread. We make sure you eat brown bread para tayo. Hello, Delia M. Guerrera. Oh, you're ironing. Okay, thank you for watching. Hello. To the people of Queen's Garden, hello, how are you guys? Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again, guys. Okay, please eat also while I'm eating. Ang takaw ko, guys, I bought this one in A1. Oh my God, I have to advertise it, the A1 bakery shop. This is my boyfriend's favorite shop. See, ang dami naming bread. Itong mga kinakain ng hubby ko. And this is actually, he likes this floppy, I don't know what kind of bread. He likes only this kind of brand. And maarte ang Joannes ko. So, okay. And me, I can, and at the same time, I bought this one also for later to eat, merienda, whatever. Abutin pa ito ng 3 o 4 na araw kasi tamad na rin ako magluto kung minsan, but I'm vlogging, so hindi na ako tamad magluto, yes. This one is with, I don't know what this called, the nuts. Ito yata yung parang buto-buto ng kalabasa. It looks like, yeah. Yeah. Ang sarap nga naman tignan. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Ang sarap din, guys. And it's really healthy. It's good for like high blood like me. Diba? Pero we try not to be high blood kasi kahit nagsasalita na ako, high blood na rin ako pag galit. Delia M. Guerrera, enjoy ironing. Mag-ayon din ako mamaya kasi naglaba ako. Pero binabad ko muna kasi pinang-jogging ko kanina at yung yesterday. But I'm going to vlog that again later kasi ngayon lang ako nag-folding the clothes and washing kasi trabaho yun ng asawa ko. Anong sa inyo, guys? Hindi lang trabaho ng babae ang naglalaba. Pati ang asawa ko ay naglalaba and my children, they fold their own clothes. And ngayon nandito na ako. Ayan ang trabaho ko. Be a mom, be a husband, be a wife. So yun ang trabaho ko. So kita-kits na lang tayo paminsan-minsan dyan sa mga trabaho kong part-time, sa Central din ako, sa Sunday, sa alam nyo na, nakikita ko kayo dyan sa Central. Kita-kits na lang tayo dyan, guys. Kain uli. Ano pa ba ang machismis ko? Nauubusan na ako, guys. Parang fed up na kayong nanonood sa akin kasi I don't know how to say. Pero ngayon I'm practicing what to say and how to front the camera. Mga angle na yan, kunwari lang yan. Kasi hindi naman ako marunong. Ito my angle of my house. Ganyan lang. Maliit lang ang bahay namin gan. Kaya sinsya na kayo, ang dami kong mabubot. And actually sabihin ko na rin, namili ako sa palengke. Look at this. Kaya ewan ko kung paanong luto yan ngayon. Ibobold ko na lang siguro kasi I saw this one, $20 for all these things. No, 18 pala. 3 of this one. Oh my God naman, at least pa, ano na, I have to advertise it. Can't you imagine this one? Nakursunodahan ko tong okra. I don't know if this is hard. Bumili ako and I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. So I'm probably boil na lang dyan. Diba? Kasi when I went to see my doctor, I'm just, the wet market is just around the corner. Eh, naglakad-lakad ako. Ay, nakakita ako niyan dyan. So, yan. I-boil ko na lang siguro. Oh my God. Look at this. How long. Kasinhaba ng ulo ko. Diba? So, oh my God, how much this one in supermarket? This is really, I know this is from China, but we have to wise kung pwede pa naman kainin. Bakit ano bang masama doon kung galing sa China? Kayo naman. Eh kung hindi naman tayo mayaman, is you have to be open-minded. Sa Pilipinas, eh kung paano galing Pilipinas, no need to eat. Diba guys? Hindi naman ako maselan. So, it's fine. Ganun talaga ang mga mayayaman eh. Yes, mais. Eh, hindi naman ako mayaman, so I can eat anything from China as long as don't eat the luncheon meat there. Oh, sorry guys. Nakatakot na. Kasi high blood ako, so I'm not allowed to eat Chinese food. Wow, yun na ang rason ko. Para hindi ako maban, di ba? Ano bang masabay ko? Ano niya? Alam nyo, I even cut my hair by my own. Gusto nga gutab-gutab, buhok ko tap-tap. Because what, you know what? I always clip my hair. So, parang ginawa kong invento to. I-vlog ko sana, pero naduduling na nga ako kakaganon. Ginaganon ko yan. So, okay. Hindi yan halata. I-clip ko na lang with this point. Done. Yes. Okay. Okay na ngayon. Natutulog na ang mga tao sa Pilipinas. Itong oras na to, I know it's napping hour. Because since I've been there last time, naimas ta okra boil tapos asaw-saw ti kamatis nga at dabagong na. Okay, but I need to eat rice if that's the case, darling. So I'm avoiding rice. Oh my God. Kasat no ngayon garod no awanti rice ko di awanen. Ito na nga, ito na lang siupaw ko. Tinatanggal ko na nga yung body eh. Look at this. Kinakain ko lang ito para sa inyo. Because, alam nyo na, sometimes we really need to eat healthy food. Lalo na tayo is matanda-tanda na, guys. Kaya, ito na. Kinakain natin ngayon. Is everybody there still, guys? Delia Guerrera. Okay, son. Oh, yes, you are from Queen's Garden. Yeah. Joel Echeverri. That's from Vizcaya, Philippines. Teresita from Solano, or Philippines also. Nueva Vizcaya. And Maria Laada. I know you're from Hong Kong. Hopefully, we'll see you again in a minute, in a few days. One time. Miley Valenzuela. Hi, good afternoon. Enjoy your job at the moment kasi malakas pa tayo, and then you enjoy the moment you're having now kasi I've been saying that to you, hindi tayo malakas. So, pagka may konting-konti na, pwede na tayong umuwi. Watch out and stay tuned for my achievement. Hindi pa ako mayaman, kaya ako uuwi. Kaya lang ako uuwi ngayon para naman enjoy the rest of my life. Hindi na lang ako babangon ng early morning na inisip ko, ano kaya ang trabaho ko ngayon, ano kaya ang ganito. Yeah. You have to, you enjoy life, guys. Yun din ang gawain ko. I don't close works, jobs in this hour, in this time. Kasi, bata pa naman ako, di ba? May mas matadanda nga, 61, 62, nagtatrabaho pa. Pero, I don't close to that. Pero naman, wag masyadong don't give all your power to your boss. You don't give all your power to your company. Because your company is still alive till the end of the world. Ang buhay natin iisa, and life natin iisa. So, I've been saying that, take care of yourself and love yourself is most. Kahit wala na tayong pera, basta yung health mo is healthy. Kaya nga, panay ang doktor ko, guys. Diyos ko naman, do you think I have time to go and see the doctor? Kaya ako lang ginagawa to kasi gusto ko ang mabuhay na matagal. Diba? Sino bang gustong mamatay na? Sabihin nyo lang, ire-ready ko na rin. Diba? Mahirap, mahirap yung hanap buhay ka ng hanap buhay. You've been saving all this money all the time, and then people, at the end of the day, somebody's enjoying your ganito. Yeah, so try to save for your future also, not just I've been saying all the time, not just working, spending, and working, spending, and you know, yun lang masasabi ko, guys. I know, yes, Mr. Joel Echeverri, the yellow corn is nice. Naiba na naman tayo ng topic, guys, kasi ang ingay ko mababa na nun. Hindi ko na alam pinagsasabi ko. So, how's it? We have this corn banana, yellow corn, yes. Yellow corn, Philippines, they don't eat yellow corn. They only sell for the, manufacturer, for the pigs, for the pig food or chicken food. Pero ito, naging chicken na ako kasi I eat this one. I normally eat this one for dinner or sometimes mixed with salad para hindi na kailangan ang sauce. No sauce for my salad. I probably show you how. No, I think na-vlog ko na how I eat salad without any sauce. Kasi yung sauce talaga, yun ang nakakataba. And of course, I need a healthy lifestyle. Ngayon naman, nakakataba rin ito. Kaso nga lang, alangan naman na mag-vlog ako na isang tinapay lang. So, this is all I had. I'm not gonna eat this one kasi unhealthy nga to. So, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Just enjoy life. Eat whatever we can. But don't eat everything, diba? Ito naman, sorry guys. Ito naman egg tart. Isa lang siguro ang kainin ko dito. So, probably my baby son will eat this one. So, hatiin ko lang guys for... Pero nagugutom din ako. Tinimtim na saluyot. Ay, gusto ko rin yan, auntie. Gusto ko rin yan, tita. Pag uwi ko, pagluto mo ako, sabay ganun eh. So, anyway, I need you in the resort. Hopefully, you'll there for me. Tita, I need you. I need everybody out there in Sawmill. So, please, stay tuned. Please help me for every move of my journey. And I need every one of you there. Hindi lang ako. Hindi ko kayang gawin ito without you guys. And then, remember that. Oy, nag-sentimental value na naman ako, guys. Iyakin tong lola nyo, hindi pa rin natututo. But I know that may puso kasi akong mabait, di ba? Kaya yung puso kong mabait niloloko. But this time, I'm not going to do that again kasi matigas ng puso ko. Kasi tigas ng bato. Yung bato na hindi narara. Yung bato nga maburburak ko na man lang. I don't know how to translate that in Tagalog. So, the stone that cannot be, puk-puk ba yun? You cannot, even you put that in the blender, big blender, you cannot make that into sand. So, I think that's the best way I translate my Tagalog English na lang. So, my Tagalog is, you know, that naglainga kami, nagdambela nga talaga nga tao. So, yun lang masabi ko, guys. Thank you. And then, yes, tita, thank you. So, hopefully, we'll be there very soon. Very soon. And agsawak man yan, Mr. Joel Echeverre. Malapit nang may pulis tayo na susunod sa MPA ba yun? PMA natin. Oh my God! So, malapit na naman tayong may pulis. Ipagragawag ko because I'm a very proud tita. May PMA, may doktor. Oh, the doctor! May isang doktor pala sa Marso. No. Sa Agosto. Oh, mandami nyo naman, guys. Di bali, tagahugas na lang ako ng pinggan nyo. So, it's okay. Nakaka-proud. We'll see you again in July. Everybody in July. Hindi lang July, andyan na ako sa susunod na. Alam nyo na, secret yan eh. Alam nyo, mahilig ako ng surprises. Ayan. Sa July, meron na naman tayong kakainan. Oh my God! Paghanda mo niya na isang baboy, Mr. Jonathan. Na itis miss kumutan. Nagangay ata mayaran nga rod. Nyay nga rod. Pagbigyan nyo lahat ng dalakit, di kape, kin asukar, kin tinapay, pwede na yan. And then, isa na namang doktor sa Agosto. Oh my God! Very proud tayo na lang masasabi ko. Nadami ko nang nasabi, nakakaya naman sa may mga hindi pa nag-iimbita o, di ba? Nakaka-proud, guys. So, yun na lang masasabi ko, okay? That's all for today's video. And don't forget to pray up there. Love your family. Love your neighbors. And I love you all. See you next vlog. Love you all. I do the cooking now. Magluluto na ako. I'm going to watch. I'm going to video only. Video? Oo, para sa reels. Okay, see you, tita. Yobel Chibere, Miss Guerrero, Dada, Tata, Teresita, Prado, ano pa? Miley, Valenzuela. Malu din here is watching. I got missed call pala. Okay. So, see you next vlog. Ito na naman ang kinain ni Lola. Very unhealthy food. Pero, try to be healthy, guys. Okay na, guys. See you next vlog. See you then. Bye. Magluluto na si Lola. See you. Love you all.